Welcome back to this crash course series aimed to remotely connect Cal Poly students with basic needs resources. This episode will introduce you to Cal Poly's CalFresh Outreach program. Like many other Cal Poly students, Sarah is taking classes full-time and working a part-time job, but she's still concerned about being able to afford enough healthy food. Luckily, the CalFresh Outreach program is here to help her and other students struggling to afford food. Not to be confused with the California Fresh Market located down the street from Cal Poly, CalFresh is a food assistance program that provides eligible students with an average of $190 per month to buy groceries. To help you access this grocery money, our team helps determine if you're eligible, answer any questions, and assist you with the application process. You can contact our team by calling, texting, emailing, or direct messaging. We are here to help you. Cal Poly's CalFresh Outreach program is now fully online and helps connect students with money for groceries through phone calls and Zoom appointments, which means you could get answers to your CalFresh questions from anywhere. Visit our website, calfreshcalpoly.org, for more information. To learn more about other food resources, visit basicneeds.calpoly.edu and click the link to watch the next crash course video on Cal Poly's food pantry.